Hey everyone, so I'm out here today to say goodbye to a friend. It's his last day in Singapore, and yeah, I'm going to a supermarket to do some survey about avocados. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Nice shirt, nice shirt.
Terrible shirt.
Terrible shirt.
Terrible shirt.
Best shirt, man.
Lâu ngày
Có này à? Ah. Sports are the best way to relieve stress.
Masih apa? Siapa entrance?
，Sweary，啊，No outside food allowed. So I've got two sides of avocado here with me. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So the deal for the survey, you're supposed to buy 10 avocado and you're supposed to cut it, see the color, taste it, and you got a form to fill up. And yeah, just report them back and they'll refund you back whatever the cost is. So I bought 10 avocados, 2 brands in total, and it costs like around $20. So it's free avocado, a good experiment, I guess. And yeah, basically you get like $20 for free. And yeah, I'll show you the steps. So once you have done fill up all the forms, shoot all the photos, you send them the receipt and they'll refund you right after that, like the next day. So pretty good deal. So they are both different brands. Oh my god, I can't focus. This one is also from Mexico, and this is also kind of like from Mexico but with better packaging. It says USA/Mexico. So yep, you gotta cut the avocado in this kind of shape, like this. They also want to see the seeds. I don't know what for, but yeah. So basically, just cut them, take a photo, and yeah, free avocado. No Z10. 1, 2. No, I mean no milk. So the secret to a good avocado milkshake is to add a little bit of salt, just a little. Trust me, it'll change up the taste. And just like that, you've got yourself free avocado milkshake. Oh, but that's a lot though. I have like 10 avocados, so I'm not sure whether I can finish them all. But cheers. Pretty good. Yo, what's up, what's good? So okay, first thing first, have a safe flight, Andy. I know you won't be watching this until you landed in Yangon. But anyway, have a safe flight. I'm gonna miss you a lot. Gonna miss you in like a football field. Missing you. Yeah. And by the way, that avocado juice was perfect, guys. Plus it's free and good. This thing don't really come together very much often, so yeah, it was a good deal. So anyway, update on my fitness. So I haven't been going out to the gym, to be honest with you guys. Haven't been really working out, not even like at the pull-up bar area, because I've been packed with assignments and exams. So yeah, but miraculously, I have lost around 3 kg. So I've started out with 73.8.9, around 74, and now this is my 3rd week of working out, and when I weighed it yesterday, I think my weight is around 71 kg. So I can safely say that I've lost 3 kg. But this the 3rd week I have totally skipped working out, so I'm not really sure. But the main thing is I think ooh, that car noise. Gotta invest on more gears in future. Anyway, so I think mainly because I've been like fasting, because I skipped lunch, because I've skipped breakfast, lunch, because I slept my way through. And yeah, in the evening I'll have one meal with my family, like a big dinner, and then at night I'll be having oatmeals. Yeah, I bought some oatmeals, just chipping, like something like this. I don't know if this is, yeah, I think this is oatmeal. Yeah, I got oatmeal, whole grains oatmeal, a little bit sweet. So yeah, with that and milk. So yeah, that's about it. I think that's the main reason why I have lost 1 kg. I've been losing like 1 kg consistently for the past 3 weeks. So yeah, fasting might be the reason. And yeah, so my exams are on 19, 20 and 22nd of October. And yeah, next week I might not be posting any videos on YouTube, but I do have some plans to post a few videos because I don't want to miss out. So yeah, I have a lot of drone footages that I haven't posted yet back in Myanmar, where I travel with my friends. So yeah, I still have a lot of footages to upload. So yeah, might be uploading that. So yeah, we'll see. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the vlog. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Come on, guys, go and like this video. Just like it. It's free anyway. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another vlog. Thanks.